All right, guys, so we're over here in Schertz, Texas. We're doing a home, putting piers inside, outside. Some of them are going inside of a tunnel. Right now, this pile of dirt behind me is actually a tunnel. When we go to start doing plumbing and tunneling, we can't bag all the dirt, as you can see. This is a small dirt. I think we're only about 12 feet under the home. Some houses we're digging 180, 200 feet. So you can imagine the piles of dirt we end up with. I like to just look at the dirt itself. You look at this dirt, this is actually not bad dirt. It's select fill, but it has a lot of rock in it, but it's not bad dirt. A lot of times we see a lot of black dirt. I'm not under there, so I don't know how the compaction is, but obviously something failed. I just don't know what it is on this home that failed, but that tells me that's a good thing. I like when I dig under a house and we're removing stuff like this. This is what I like to remove, not sandbags. So as you can see, this guy's chunking dirt out. We have guys inside the tunnel that are doing the digging. They're passing dirt back. They do it like a conveyor. One guy passes it back, the next guy passes it back all the way out to the entrance. And this guy stands out and he just empties that entrance out. So it is a lot of work. And I'm glad they're in the shade. At least they have a canopy. It's hot here in Texas.